Screenshot in our mind.
Yeah, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Morning, everyone.
You guys give me 2 minutes, we'll start. Okay, guys, so let's begin the session now. 1 minute, guys. Okay, guys, so my name is Samir and I'll be your faculty for this. So let's begin the session now. So, guys, so first of all, let us see what is Azure Data Engineering. So, guys, what is Azure Data Engineering? So, I hope everyone am audible, guys. Please respond. So, Azure Data Engineering. Okay,
Yes,
guys,
you're
Azure
audible.
Data, yeah, Azure Data Engineering. So, guys, Azure Data Engineering is nothing but this is basically a bunch of cloud services, guys. It is a bunch of cloud service. It is a bunch of cloud service. Azure Data Engineering is nothing but it is a bunch of cloud service wherein, guys, wherein the following tasks we can perform it by using the Azure Data Engineering. So, what are the tasks we can perform it? The first one is called as the data migration, comma, data integration, data migration, data integration. Then you got data summarization, and then you have data visualization, So these are all the tasks we can perform by using the by using the Azure Data Engineering. That is called as a bunch of cloud services. Now, guys, the first one we have it as what data migration, and the next one you can say, guys, data integration, and the third one we can say it as a data summarization. Okay, and then we have the next one as what data visualization. So these are all the techniques we have it, guys. So that's it, okay, guys. So then we can say the Azure Data Engineering has the following services. What are the services, guys? So we can use the service called what ADF, which stands for what Azure Data Factory. The first and foremost service, the important service is what Azure Data Factory, and the next one is what's that you have it, guys, everyone? Azure Databricks, and then we have what's that, guys, everyone? Synapse. Then we have the next one, guys, Azure Databricks, Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, Synapse, and then you have what's that, guys, Fabric, and the one which is very important from and even the future, you can say future of everything, that is called as open AI, that is artificial intelligence. This is also the part of your Azure Data Engineering, guys. Okay, so now these are all the services we can say, guys, we can have it. Okay, guys, these are all the services we can say, these are all the services, okay, we can have it here, guys, within the Azure Data Engineering. Okay, guys, everyone. So the Azure Data Engineering includes the following. What's it? Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, Synapse, Fabric, OpenAI, and even you can say, guys, everyone, even you can say, yeah, even you can say what's it, guys? Machine learning. ML stands for what? Machine learning. So we can say, guys, Azure machine learning as well. We can say Azure machine learning as well. You can say, guys. Okay. So we can also say it as what? Azure machine learning. So guys, so these are all the services. Many more are there, but I'm just listing a few of them. Okay, guys. So using these services, guys, we perform the following task. What is that? Azure, that is data migration. Guys, we can perform the data migration, data integration, data summarization, and as well as the data visualization. These are all the tasks we can perform it, guys. So when it comes to this data migration, so guys, let's try to understand all of them in a proper way, and we'll see, guys, we'll understand all of them in a proper way, and then we'll see what other things you have it. So guys, I will not be moving technically today. I will just show you the all uses of all this, and then we will see one by one the technicality in the next sessions as well. Okay, so guys, here I'm using it. So guys, here you can say, boys, these are all the tasks we can say. What is that? The first one and the foremost important, we have it as the data migration. Guys, everyone, what is the data migration, guys? The data migration. What is it, guys? The data migration. So data migration is nothing but, guys, everyone. Data migration is nothing but, everyone, guys. What is data migration? Data migration is nothing but moving the data from, guys, moving the data from one that is called as on-premises to the cloud. So now let us see what is an on-premises. So can you say on-premises to the cloud environment? Moving the data from the on-premises to the cloud environment. Moving the data from the on-premises to the cloud environment is called as what, guys? Data migration. Is called as what, guys? Data migration. Moving the data from the on-premises to the cloud environment is called as what, guys? Data migration. Is called as what? Data migration, guys. Okay, it's called as what? Data migration. Moving the data from the on-premises to the cloud environment is called as what? Data migration. Now, guys, I will I won't move it technically. Okay, guys. So here you have it, data migration. So now, guys, everyone. Suppose you have everyone, guys. Suppose you have a mobile phone. You have it, everyone, and by default you have a whenever you buy a mobile phone, you will get the mobile phone with a default memory storage. Am I right? So guys, you can say 256 GB is your data you have it. And now guys, even you can say 8 GB is the RAM, you can say guys. 8 GB is also the RAM. So you can say what? 256 GB is the, guys, 256 GB. You can say guys, 256 GB, everyone. 256 GB is the, everyone, 256 GB is the, guys, is a storage, inbuilt storage, and 8 GB is the RAM. Now guys, you have utilized the 256 GB and 8 GB RAM for accessing the data and as well as for storing the data in a very good manner. Later, after some time, you got some more data, guys. Some more data. What is the data? Now, guys, you got more 1000 GB data to be stored. Now, tell me, can you store in your mobile phone this 1000 GB, guys? Can you store in your mobile phone this 1000 GB data? Can you store, guys? Yeah, can you store this? Not
Yeah.
possible. Not possible because the maximum capacity for the storage is 256 GB, guys. Maximum capacity for the storage is what? 256 GB. So, guys, generally what we do, we can add an SD card, scan disk card, we can add it, but you will not get the scan disk card for 1000 GB. So let us say almost all 100 GB if you are, or almost all guys, 256 GB more if you add it, 256 GB. Okay, 256 GB more if you get add it here, guys. Then your maximum storage you will, guys, maximum storage, you will have what it, guys, all of you can say five. There is nothing but, yes, guys. How much? 512. Am I right? 512 GB you can have it like this. Am I right? Maximum two storages you combine, but still you have to store the 1000 GB, so which is not sufficient now. What is the alternative? Either you have to change your mobile phone or SD card. Again, that's a cost consumption process. Am I right? So to avoid that, what we do, guys, to avoid that, simply we store this data directly into the Google Drive. Am I right? But now you must be getting it out. Google Drive has only how much data here, guys? It will provide you 15 GB. But that is not true actually. Why? The 15 GB is free, guys. The 15 GB is what's that, guys? Everyone, 15 GB is free. Is free. But if you want to store the data, you can store it up to any extent. You can store it up to what's that, guys? Any extent you like. Okay. But subject to which payment? Subject to the making of the payment, guys. So we can say we can store the data up to, okay guys, we can store the data up to whatever the limit you want, subject to the payment, subject to what's it, guys? Payment. So the more payment you make, guys, okay guys, you can access the whatever the data. That means it can be gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte, or whatever the capacity you have, you can use it, guys. So now can you say, so guys, now can you say here, guys, we can store the data into what's it, Google Drive. So whereas whenever the data is stored in the mobile phone, so from your mobile phone, whenever you move the data to the Google Drive, guys, whenever you move the data from the mobile phone to the Google Drive, so guys, we do it generally, am I right? Whenever we move the data from the mobile phone to the Google Drive, guys, everyone, whenever we move the data from the, guys, whenever we move the data from the mobile phone to the Google Drive, so guys, this process is called as a process of what, guys, everyone? Whenever we move the data from the mobile phone to the Google Drive, this process is called as what, guys? Data migration. It is called as a process of what? Data migration. It is called as a process of what, guys? Data migration. So data migration is a process, guys. Data migration is a process where we move the data from the, yes, guys, where we move the data from the mobile phone, that is on-premises environment. It can be mobile phone or laptop, or it can be, what is it, guys? Your that is a desktop. All this, guys. All these are what, guys? All these are what, everyone? All these are what, guys? All these are what? Yeah, all these are called as what, guys? So basically on-premises network or on-premises data. So whenever you want to move the data from the on-premises to the cloud environment, here we can say, guys, what is that? Here we can say the process is called as what? Data migration. We call it as what? Data migration. That's it, guys. We call it as what? Data migration. We call it as a data migration. We call it as a data migration, guys. Okay. So the next one, what is it? You have it. The next one is what? Data integration. So what is data integration? Now, guys, for this, I won't, as I told you that I'm not going to move technically here today. I will give you some functional example, guys. What is data integration? I will give you some functional example. So for this data integration, guys, where you wanted to see some, okay, non-technical things, let's take an example of a supermarket, guys. If you go to the supermarket called DMart, or else let us say DMart, comma, I can say, guys, Reliance Smart. Guys, you can say what's it, guys? Reliance Smart. Guys, Reliance Smart. So we can say what's it is DMart and the Reliance Smart. Okay, I'll take it. DMart and the Reliance Smart. Okay, guys. So I can take this. So now tell me, what are the type of things you will get it in the Reliance Smart? You will get what? Groceries, you will get it. Am I right? And then you can get it what, guys? Vegetables, you can get it here, guys. Groceries, vegetables, and what are the other things? Clothing. And then you can say, guys, lifestyle. Lifestyle means anything related to your, okay, all the things. Okay, so we can say all these are things available. Now tell me, these all are manufactured by DMart or Reliance, or they get it from somewhere else, guys, so some third parties. Please tell me. Yes, guys.
Made by Reliance.
Yeah. It is not owned by, it is not at all, these products are not owned by, guys, these products are not at all owned by, these products are not at all owned by the these supermarkets, but they get it from the vendors. So groceries, they get from various vendors. Am I right? So vegetables, they get from the farmers. Clothing, they get it from the other vendors. Lifestyle, they get it from the other vendors. So now can you see here, guys? That means, can you say these grocery, let us say some of the groceries you have it. Under this, let us say you have a category called soaps. Okay. Soaps are there. So here in the soaps, can you see it? It is manufactured by some manufacturer. Okay. So manufacturer. And here vegetables are there. And these are nothing but what? Cropped. Am I right? Cropped by whom? By some farmer. By some farmer, etc. So from various person, from various people who what's it? Produce it, manufacture it, guys, manufacture it or produce it or crop it. They are taking it. Okay, they are taking it and keeping it their stores. That means what? Are they gathering the same in their supermarket? Of course. Why? For facilitating the customers. For facilitating what's it, guys? Customers. Okay. They wanted to, guys, they wanted to facilitate the customer. That means under one roof, they should get everything. That is the main motive of these supermarkets. Am I right? Yes, guys, that is the main motive of the supermarket. That is the main motive of the, yes, guys, main motive of the supermarket, that customer should get everything at one stop. Where the customer should get everything at what's that, guys? One stop. One stop, they should able to get it. So that is the reason, guys. That is the reason why, guys. That is the reason why they all are gathered under one head. Am I right? So now, guys, in the same way, this process, we call it as what? Integration. We can also say it as what? Integration, where we gather it from various places, keeping at a place and facilitating the consumers or customers. That is called as what? Integration. In the same way, Here we gather the data, guys. Data integration means what? The data is gathered from various locations and kept at a place. Okay, guys. Okay, kept at a place for use of the user. Who is the user? The data engineers are one of the user, or the analyst is the another user. Okay, guys. Various users you have it. That's it. The next one, guys. After this, what is it you have it? Data summarization. So the guys, let us see. Here you have a specific task is there, everyone. You can say the specific task. What is the task you can say, guys? Data summarization means what, guys, everyone? So data summarization, let's try to see it in a non-technical manner, then we'll come back to this. Okay, guys, now you have let's take a same example of the supermarket, guys. So now tell me, you have been to the supermarket and all these are available in the supermarket, but actually your task, what you have to do it today. Today you wanted to prepare a vegetable curry, guys. What that you wanted to, guys? You wanted to prepare a vegetable curry, guys. Vegetable curry, you wanted to prepare it. Now tell me, everyone. You wanted to prepare a veg curry, guys, everyone. You wanted to prepare a veg curry. When you wanted to prepare, guys, when you wanted to prepare the veg curry, guys, when you wanted to prepare the vegetable curry, when you wanted to prepare the veg curry, tell me now, you have been to the Reliance Fresh or Reliance Smart, you have been. You have been to the Reliance Smart. Now, after being to the Reliance Smart, guys, are you going to buy all the products or you're going to buy only those things which is required for preparing the veg curry? Please tell me now. Yeah, guys, my question is that you wanted to prepare a veg curry. For preparing this veg curry, you have been to the Reliance Smart. Okay. After being to the Reliance Smart, guys, are you going to buy all the products such as groceries, vegetables, clothes, lifestyle, all these things you'll buy, or you'll buy only those products which is required to prepare your veg curry? That is my question.
Only vegetables requirement.
Yes, only the right now, because the requirement is for the vegetable, you'll buy only the vegetable. So, guys, you can say that we have shortlisted the vegetables only. But now here you have 100 varieties of vegetables are there. How many? 100 varieties of vegetables are there. Tell me now, are you going to buy all the 100 varieties of vegetables or only those vegetables which is required to prepare a specific vegetable curry?
Yeah,
Specific only.
Yes, specific. So you
specific
can
ones.
say,
Yeah.
guys, yeah. So I can say vegetable number 1, vegetable number 4, and vegetable number 7. Only 147 is the case here, guys. These vegetables you have selected it. Now, once you have these vegetables you have selected, guys, this process of selecting the vegetables, guys, this process of selecting the vegetables, this process of selecting the vegetables, guys, this process of selecting the vegetables, this process of what selecting the vegetables, guys, is called as what, guys? This process of selecting the vegetables is called as what? Extraction technically. It is called as what, guys? Extraction technically. Am I right? Extracting. That's it. The next one, guys. The next one, technically, I can say transformation. What is transformation? But when you talk about the transformation, guys, here you have selected the 147 as the vegetable. Now you have paid the cost. You bought them home. And now tell me, are you going to eat the vegetables in the raw form or still you have to follow some process, guys? As a human, we don't eat the raw vegetables. So we have to follow some due process. What is that? We will have to follow the
Cooking.
process. What is the process here? I can say,
Cooking.
guys, yeah, cutting. Yeah, very good. Cutting, chopping. Then you can say cleaning or washing. Then you can say cooking. Am I right?
Yeah.
This is the process we do. So now tell me, what you are doing by cooking the vegetable curry or by cooking the vegetables? Are you changing the form of the vegetable from the raw to the cooked form, guys?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
we're changing the
Yes.
form. Yeah, we're changing the form of the vegetables from the raw to the cooked form, guys. From the raw to the cooked form. So hence, this process, we can say it as what? Transformation, where we change the form. Am I right? Transformation. And the next one you have also loading, guys. Loading means what? The final layer. So what is that? The cooking is done, guys. The cooking is done. And finally, it results to the, yes, guys, it results to what's it, guys? Vegetable curry is ready. Vegetable curry is ready. Now, once this vegetable curry is ready, what you will do, guys? The layer is what? Eating. You will eat it. Am I right? Eating is the process. So where, guys? Eating is the process of loading. Okay, guys, eating is the process of what? Loading. That is final layer of the same. Bottom line is what, guys? You will have to eat the vegetable curry. For that, you have done all this task. So hence this task, technically this we call it as what? ETL, extraction, transformation and loading. The same thing we do it on the data also. Once you get the data, you'll put the extraction of data. Then we change the data by using the transformation. Transformation in the sense adding a column, removing a column, adding a row, removing a row, sorting the data in the proper order. All these things is called as what, guys? Includes the data summarization. Then you have what said, guys? Finally, the loading. The data is loaded into the final layer. How the data should look finally, that you will have to decide and write it in the loading process, guys. That's it. So here you have what data summarization, guys. Data summarization includes what's that, guys? Extraction, transformation, and loading. So here, this is how we can work on the same, guys. Now, vegetable curry, guys. You have prepared two vegetable curries. Now, the second question is, you have prepared two vegetable curries, and you have invited your friend to your home, and your friend has tasted, has come here for on your invitation. He came to your home. Okay, he came to your house. Now, once he came to your house, this is the curry one, and this is the curry two. So now, guys, if he tastes these two curries, will he? You'll ask the comment now. You'll just ask him. What is that, guys? Which curry is better, whether the first curry or the second curry? Will you ask him or not?
Yes.
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 But what is this? That is the feedback or not? Yes, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Feedback or not? So that means unknowingly, that feedback is nothing but what? You're comparing the, guys, you're comparing one vegetable curry with what is that? Another vegetable curry. You're comparing the one vegetable curry with the another vegetable curry. That means here unknowingly what you're doing, you're performing the, yes, guys, comparative study. You're performing what's it, guys? Comparative study, where this comparative study is nothing but is called as what? Data visualization. Yes, guys, the data visualization is nothing but the comparative study. So, but now you must be getting it out. We have only two veg curries. So now you can say the taste by just eating this or by just tasting it. Am I right? But what is the need of this data visualization, guys? In case of two curries, is okay, fine. But if you have, guys, if you have everyone, if you have 100 veg curries like this, can you do it manually? Not possible. Or can you do it alone? Not possible. Am I right? There is a technique or the procedure you will follow it. The same thing we do it here, guys. The same thing we do it by using the process of what? Data visualization. And comparing one curry with the another curry to take a decision, which one is the better. So that is called as what, guys? Analysis. That is called as what? Data analysis here. That is called as what? Data analysis. And this data analysis will be done by what's it, guys? The data analyst. And next one. Now, guys. Now, guys, everyone. Today's data is there with you. Tomorrow's data you wanted to know. For example, today's climate condition, weather condition, you know it. and you wanted to know what would be the expected climate condition you may have it, whether the temperature may come up or it may go down, guys. Whether the temperature may come up or it may go down, you wanted to know it, guys. Everyone, you wanted to know it. So now tell me, you wanted to know tomorrow's weather condition. So is it a future or a present tense for us?
Future.
Yes, guys. It's a future. So whenever you wanted to make some, guys, whenever you wanted to make some future assumptions, so those are, of course, future what predictions, guys, future predictions. Even though they may be accurate or non-accurate, that is not the material fact here. The only thing is that we wanted to know what is the expected expected things. That is nothing but what is the probability of getting the, guys, rain tomorrow. What is the probability of getting the rain tomorrow? You want to anticipate this one. Okay. So guys, so for this, what we do, guys, whenever you wanted to anticipate, we perform the comparative study. But whereas this is for the future, for tomorrow. So whenever you do it for the tomorrow, this is called as what? Data science. It is called as what? Data science. And this is will be done by what? Data scientist. Guys, we call it as what? Data scientist. We call it as what, guys? Data scientist. Sorry. We call it as what, guys? Data scientist. Data scientist. Okay, guys. So these are all the things we have. So, guys, the Azure data engineering includes the following moments. What's that? It includes the following. That is called as what? Data migration, data integration, data summarization, and as well as the data visualization. So, as a process of this, we are going to see the ADF, guys, everyone. We are going to see the ADF, ADB. Okay, mainly we are going to focus it on what? ADF, ADB, and as well as the part of Synapse, guys. But whereas apart from this, we are going to deal with the open AI concepts. What is the open AI? Okay, guys. What is generative AI? What is the generative AI, guys? Generative artificial intelligence. And that we develop it by using the tools called what's a chat GPT is there. Chat GPT is one of the tool, in fact. Again, OpenAI is one of the tool. So that we are going to use it here, guys. And I will show you how the things will keep on working. What are the things you can design it? Okay, how can you automate it? Okay, what are the things you can do it? All this you can do it by using the OpenAI concept. Okay, so that's the basic concepts. We'll just discuss it here. And but the ADF and ADB synapse, we will see it in the detail, and even the OpenAI is also added with the process, guys. And this will take, yeah, this will take approximately, guys, this will take approximately, guys, 75 hours, guys. It will take 75 hours to complete the process, 75 hours, and including a complete project life cycle. That's the thing we have it, guys. And the timings, you know already, it's 10 o'clock. Okay, so that's it, guys, for the day. And about my experience, I have around 10 plus years of experience in IT. That's it, guys. You can please tell me now your questions.
Sir, my one of the question is that I, uh, I saw two courses. Like this is one ADF with data Azure data engineering full stack, and another one is that only ADF. So what is the difference between these two? Only ADF and ADF full stack. So that is one of
ADF
the
full stack
confusion.
means ADF, not ADF. It is Azure Data Engineering. Might be it is Azure Data Engineering. Azure
Yeah,
Data
Azure
Engineering
data engineering full stack is there,
is
and
same.
another
This
one
one.
is yeah, this one. I know this one, and another course I saw is only for ADF. Like that there is also Azure data engineering, but that is not a full stack.
No, no.
So
Ah, that's not a full stack. So see, basically, the thing is that might be. I'm not sure on the Durgasoft website you have seen.
yeah, yeah, in Durgasoft website.
Okay, might be that is taken up by some other faculty. I think so. I'm
Okay,
not
okay,
sure about it. Okay, but this
okay.
is my procedure of things.
And no, you will not include Python to extract the data and all. So we'll not.
Obviously, this ADB includes PySpark. Na?
Okay, PySpark.
It is
Okay.
a combination of, yeah, PySpark.
And we will learn that Python basics from basics to advanced, like how to how to extract the data. Because as
Yes,
a data
yes,
engineer, we will I know that we should know the Python also. So
yes,
you are.
yes. So basically, Python means, see, not the very basic things which you needed.
Mhm.
Basically, what we require here to understand the concepts. The concepts I will take care. The concepts and even the basics. See, you don't need to learn Python separately. If you learn
Mhm.
PySpark, PySpark is the advanced version of the Python only. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So do we get access to any lab? Like,
Yeah, you
so
get the
will you help us?
material.
Okay.
It's all cloud based now. There will be no lab, guys. Basically,
I mean lab in the sense like online account. So do we get to do like a free online account and then practice
you can
things
create it.
or
You can create it your own subscription. So
okay.
as after the cloud has come,
Hmm.
basically you don't have any kind of a lab system. Something is not like that.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
And what about those videos after the class? We will get those videos like
Every day, yeah,
downloaded.
every day you'll get the videos. Every day you'll get the videos.
Okay.
Okay.
By any chance, is the time flexible? Like maybe later, like in the afternoon, do you have anything as such or
No, no, afternoon batches I don't have it. I
okay.
have the batches from morning 6 a.m. to 11.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Any other
Hmm.
questions, ma? Please, you can ask me.
In case if I miss one class, I will get
You get
that
the recorded
relevant videos,
videos.
right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. Thank you, guys. We'll meet tomorrow at the same time. Okay. Thank you very much.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you very
Bye.
much. Yeah. Bye.